Every month we study over 10 projects for you. We compare these projects and bring 1 to 2 projects which are best investments for you. But when you connect with me, it is not about the project. It is about you. What are your goals? What do you want to achieve in future? Do you want to sell the property before you close it? You want to keep the property together? We build the financial goals and the plannings for you, and then we pick the right investment property. We compare various properties for you, and then when you are confident, you feel empowered, and then we go ahead and do the negotiations with the builder on your behalf. When you work with us, when the project is signed, then I always recommend my clients to get a review. My team of lawyers help you to review your contracts. If there is any negotiation is required, they will do that negotiation on your behalf. Second step is to get the pre-mortgage approval done. So I have my team of professionals working with us, and then we work with them to help you to get the pre-mortgage approvals. Another important point when we look into the properties for you, having the assignment clause added in your investment project, because many times even if you don't want to sell the property, you never know, the situations might change, the goals might change in future. That assignment clause is very important. Any project we bring on board includes assignment clause. So there are various steps involved in this process: before purchasing the property, after purchasing, color selection, closing the deal. At every step we work with you. Let's build your investment portfolio together. Give me a call or leave me a text at 647-532-3000.